In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your GA4 tracking code in just about 5 minutes. Leveraging the power of GA4 can be a game changer for understanding your website's performance and user interaction, making this information crucial for anyone looking to optimize their online presence. First things first, start by navigating to Google. This is where the journey to unlocking insightful analytics about your website begins. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. This straightforward step is your gateway to accessing Google's suite of services, including Google Analytics. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This should be the account where you want your analytics to be stored. Enter your password carefully. Remember, the security of your data starts with these basic access credentials, so always keep them confidential. Once you've successfully entered your password, click Next to proceed. This action will confirm your credentials and bring you closer to accessing Google Analytics, a tool rich with insights about your digital footprint. Now let's dive into the Google Analytics universe. Click on the Google Apps icon, usually seen as a grid of dots located at the top right corner of your screen, right next to your account icon. This is where you can access all the Google services associated with your account. From the drop-down that appears, click on Google Analytics. This choice will direct you to a platform that offers a wealth of data about your website's performance. Upon entering Google Analytics, navigate to the bottom left corner to find the admin settings. This section is crucial as it houses the settings and configurations necessary for tailoring Google Analytics to your specific needs. Clicking here is your first step into a more customized analytics experience. In the admin settings, look for and click on Data Collection and Modification. This area allows for detailed adjustments regarding how Google Analytics gathers and processes data from your website, an essential step for ensuring data accuracy and relevance. Next, within these settings, locate and click on Data Streams. This option is where Google Analytics really starts to come to life, integrating with your website to stream real-time data straight into your analytics dashboard. Within data streams, you'll see an option for your web stream. Click on this to specify from which stream of data you wish to see analytics. This distinction is important as it determines the source of the user data you'll be analyzing. Now, at the heart of today's tutorial, to get your GA4 tracking code, scroll down to find View Tag instructions at the bottom of your chosen web streams page. This link is your gateway to accessing the specific code needed to integrate GA4 analytics seamlessly with your website. Click on Install Manually. This option provides you with the raw GA4 tracking code that you'll need to insert into your website's backend. This step is crucial for ensuring that every user interaction on your site is captured and analyzed by GA4. Lastly, click on Copy Code. This simple yet critical action copies the GA4 tracking code to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted into your website's HTML. This code is the linchpin in linking your website to GA4, enabling you to start harnessing detailed analytics. To wrap up, embedding the GA4 tracking code into your website is a pathway to unlocking rich insights into user behavior, site performance, and much more. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just getting started, these data points are invaluable for optimizing your online presence. Remember, the effectiveness of your analytics setup begins with correctly integrating the GA4 tracking code into your site. Take the time to ensure it's correctly installed, and you'll be on your way to leveraging one of the most powerful tools in digital analytics today. And there you have it. In just about 5 minutes, you've learned how to access and install your GA4 tracking code. Now, you're all set to dive into the data and insights that can help transform your website and your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools. Happy analyzing!